brain decides everything. Your thoughts, your emotions, even your heartbeat. But what if I told you it's actually divided into just 3 simple sections you can understand in minutes? Let's break your brain into 3 main regions: Forebrain, Midbrain, and Hindbrain. And I promise this will be easy. First is the forebrain. This is the largest and most important part. This is where you think, feel, remember, and make decisions. The main parts of the forebrain are the cerebrum, thalamus, and hypothalamus, as well as the limbic system. Now, let's discuss these parts. Cerebrum. The cerebrum is the biggest part of your brain. It controls thinking, speaking, memory, and personality. So basically, this is who you are. When you're solving a problem or scrolling your phone, that's your cerebrum working. Thalamus. Think of the thalamus as a message center. It takes information from your senses, like touch, pain, or temperature, and sends it to the right part of the brain. When you feel your phone vibrate, that signal goes through the thalamus, hypothalamus. This tiny part controls very big things, like hunger, thirst, body temperature, and hormones. When you feel hungry at midnight, that's your hypothalamus, limbic system, emotional brain. This part controls emotions like happiness, fear, and anger. It also helps create memories. That's why emotional moments are easier to remember. Next is the midbrain, a small but powerful part. It connects the forebrain to the hindbrain. The functions of the midbrain are its controls eye movement, helps with hearing and vision reflexes, acts like a signal relay station. When you instantly turn your head after hearing a loud sound, that's your midbrain reacting. Now, hindbrain, the survival brain. Finally, we have the hindbrain, the part that keeps you alive. The main parts of the hindbrain: cerebellum, pons, medulla, oblongata. Now let's discuss them. Cerebellum, this controls balance and coordination. That, when you walk without falling, that's your cerebellum. Then comes pons. The pons helps connect different parts of the brain and controls sleep and breathing patterns. It's like a bridge passing messages. Medulla oblongata. This is the most critical part. It controls breathing, heartbeat, and blood pressure. You don't think about breathing. This part does it for you. Other important features that your brain have are neurons. Your brain has billions of neurons. They send electrical signals to communicate. Then their left and right brain. Your brain has 2 halves. The left side does logic and language, while the right side does creativity and imagination. Brain lobes, super simple. Frontal lobe, thinking and decisions. Parietal lobe, touch and sensation. Temporal lobe, hearing and memory. Occipital lobe, vision. Tip line: you don't need to memorize. Just understand what each part does. So now you can tell anyone about the human brain. This is the inner atlas where we make anatomy easier and interesting to learn.